couple of short Robert Burns songs in one video. The first is Tibbie Dunbar, which he wrote to an old jig called Johny McGill, written by fiddler Johny McGill. And the second being his version of Green Sleeves, of which he adapted a traditional first 4 lines and wrote a second 4 lines. If you've heard Tibbie Dunbar, you've heard it to a slightly fancied up version of Johny McGill's melody. It's in the similar form in McGlashan and in James Aird's selection of Scotch, Irish, English, and foreign airs. So I've taken it from Aird's book, which was a familiar source of Burns. A little plainer. For better, for war, for better, for worse. Oh, wilt thou go in me, sweet Tibbie Dunbar? Oh, wilt thou go in me, sweet Tibbie Dunbar? Wilt thou ride on a horse or be drawn in a car? Or walk by my side, oh sweet Tibbie Dunbar? I care na thy daddie, his lands and his money. I care na thy kin, say high and say lordly, but say thou wilt take me for better, for war, and come in thy coatie, sweet Tibbie Dunbar. Here's Green Sleeves. I've also taken this set of the tune from Aird's selection. Green sleeves and tartan ties mark my true love where she lies. I'll be at her or she rise, my fiddle and I thegither. Be it by the chrystal burn, be it by the milk-white thorn, I shall rouse her in the morn, my fiddle and I thegither. Or I'll be at her or she rise means ere she rise, before she rise. And together, of course, is thegither. Fiddle and I together. From David Hurd's manuscripts, this is from oral tradition, which with which Burns would have been well familiar. Green sleeves and puddin' pies, come tell me where my true love lies, and I'll be wi' her ere she rise, fiddle and awe thegither. Green sleeves and yellow lace, maids can marry apace, the bachelors are in a pitiful case to fiddle awe thegither. There's a couple more verses which are perhaps too bawdy for this video. In any case, you can look them up in David Hurd's manuscripts in the Library of Scotland. They're on page 177. Please subscribe to my channel. I used to watch these English and Welsh vegan chefs. My channel. Please subscribe to my channel. So please do subscribe to my channel. And watch the vegan chefs.